Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to restore photos from Google Photos to the gallery. Okay, so let's get started by open normal gallery from my phone, and right here, as you can see, I have only 4 pictures here. And now let's move to the Google Photos. Now select photo what you wanna save. Let's say if you want only one, just tap at this photo, let's say this one, click at the 3 dots at the right top and click download. Okay, let's return to the gallery, and we have one more photo. Now, if you want to try to save it one more time, you cannot do this. You click at the 3 dots, but now, as you can see, we have only the button delete from this device. If you want to save multiple photos, you need to select them. Then, right here, you will see some controls. You need to scroll and click Save to Device. Now, let's return to the gallery, and as you can see, I have 3 more photos. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.